Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn legal writing step by step. Start by mastering Iraq structure and outlining before you write so every paragraph has a purpose. Practice turning complex facts into clear issues and rules, then show reasoning step by step. Read strong samples and compare tone and word choice. Draft quickly, revise ruthlessly, and get feedback from peers or mentors to accelerate improvement. Use concise sentences and active voice to make your arguments crisp and persuasive. Break long ideas into short, readable lines that judges and clients can scan quickly. Choose plain words over legalese unless a term of art is required, and avoid redundancy. Keep paragraphs tight and focused on a single point, using transitions to guide the reader smoothly through your logic and evidence for maximum impact. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy feet during marathon drafting sessions. They stay put, feel great, and cut down distractions while you research and edit. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want cozier focus. Now let's get back to the video. Develop research habits that save time and strengthen analysis by starting with treatises and practice guides for overview. Build a research log that records key holdings, quotes, and how each source fits your issue. Read cases with an eye on facts, holdings, and reasoning so you can analogize or distinguish effectively. Summarize authority clearly in your memo, linking each citation to your argument and showing why it supports your conclusion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.